Drop ceiling.
Drop ceiling renewal. If I can get this piece out. God. Go nowhere.
I got you. You got to be real gentle with it. You don't want to mess up the edges. But he makes it look easy because he's good at what he does. I mean,
There we go.
there she is. Okay. Boy, that does look better. That looks so much better. I mean,
Wish they were all that easy.
going like that, yeah, it looks. I mean, you can tell the difference where he's done this side and hasn't done this side.
Yeah.
So, Chip's remodeling. Hold your head just right in your mouth. Yeah, that looks really good, Chip.
Thanks. Hello, fans.